Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy whole wheat bread sandwich recipe, a perfect filling meal to start your day. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. I got some homemade whole wheat bread and I thought today I'll show you how to make a quick, easy and healthy sandwich with this whole wheat homemade bread. To make the sandwich, I'm making a green chutney first. Into my small chutney grinder, I'm adding in one green chilli, a small piece of ginger which I'm roughly chopping and adding in, a handful of coriander leaves, washed and rinsed coriander leaves, half teaspoon roasted jeera powder also known as cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon amchur powder also known as dry mango powder, pink Himalayan salt as needed, squeezing in half a lemon, 2 tablespoon water, and I'm going to grind this to a fine paste. The green chutney is ready. I'm going to transfer it to another bowl. And I'm keeping this aside. For the sandwich filling, I'm using one medium-sized sweet potato, boiled sweet potato. I'm adding it into a bowl and peeling off the skin. With a fork, I'm mashing the sweet potato. Into this, I'm adding in 2 tablespoon green chutney, 1 medium onion chopped, 1 green chilli finely chopped, pink Himalayan salt as needed, 1/4 teaspoon amchur powder also known as dry mango powder, half teaspoon roasted jeera powder also known as cumin powder, 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder. Today I am using Vigon turmeric which has high curcumin content. Half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Black pepper helps in the assimilation of the active ingredient in turmeric known as curcumin. So you need at least a fat pinch of black pepper for better assimilation of turmeric. 1/3 teaspoon chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon wood pressed groundnut oil. You can use any wood pressed oils of your choice instead of groundnut oil. Now with a spoon, I am giving this a nice mix. You can make this filling and keep it in the fridge and it will stay good for a couple of days in an airtight glass container. You can also use this filling to make wrap with rotis or as a filling for dosha. This is a very versatile and healthy filling. Sweet potatoes are one of the best sources of vitamin A. Sweet potatoes contain a significant amount of vitamins, most of which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Sweet potatoes contain fiber and antioxidants that promote the growth of good gut bacteria and contribute to a healthy gut. So do try to include sweet potatoes when they are in season. Green chilli and red chilli you can increase or decrease as per your taste. And lastly, I am chopping in a handful of coriander leaves and give this all a nice mix. At this stage you can check salt. If you feel you need more salt, you can add in, and make sure the sweet potatoes are all nicely mashed in. To make the sandwich, I am using my homemade whole wheat bread. I have already shared this bread recipe. Please do check it out. And this bread is made with 100% whole wheat flour. No maida is added to make this bread. No oil, eggs, sugar or maida is used to make this bread. Now to make the sandwich, I am spreading in a teaspoon of green chutney and then top it with the sweet potato filling and spread it out. Make sure the filling is spread out all over the bread, even the 4 corners of the bread, and cover it with the other bread slice. Lightly press it down and then I'm going to toast this bread. To toast the bread, heat a cast iron tawa with about half teaspoon desi ghee and place the bread slice, half teaspoon desi ghee on top. If you're a vegan, you can use any wood pressed oil of your choice instead of desi ghee. Once that side is lightly toasted, Carefully flip it over. And once done, remove to a plate. Repeat the same thing with the rest of the bread. And my quick and easy healthy whole wheat sandwich is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy sandwich and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.